Today I'll be showing you how I made the 6x6 lace closure, so please keep on watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I gotta do it.
It's very important to know where you're supposed to ventilate from. Like you see in this video here, I showed you where I cut from. So you make sure you are not cutting in the wrong direction, because if you ventilate in the wrong direction, your closure would not look natural and realistic. And now I am showing you how I measured my 6x6 closure. Since it's a 6x6, you have to measure an inch extra. The extra length is for when you want to sew your lace closure down on your wig cap, or you want to do a sewing on your natural hair. The extra length or the extra inch is very important, because you cannot be sewing your closure down on the already ventilated parts. It just doesn't make sense. So you need this part, is very important. Then I use the comb, because as you can see, the comb is straight enough and it served the purpose of what I was going to do. And I'm measuring it, so you guys can see it's an accurate 6x6 before I start ventilating. Make sure it's accurate, because your clients might definitely check it out to be sure. Then when I'm done, I'm just trying to do a finishing touches before I cut off the excess lace. So I am going to get the center part, because it's supposed to be like a middle part, not a free part closure. So I'm going to look for the center of 6x6, and I've gotten it now. So I drew the line to demarcate it. Then I'm doing this curve by the edge. Like if you look at closures carefully, you will see that it's not in a box, like it's not in a triangular or a square shape to ventilate. There's always a curve by the edge of the two sides down of the closure part. So this is what I'm trying to achieve. And this just gives you like a guideline for ventilation. Practically this is how it works. So guys, I won't talk too much. As per usual, talking too much in videos is just so boring and distracting. So I want you guys to concentrate on what I'm doing, and I will just talk through when I need to, but right now I don't think I need to. So just keep on watching. And if you've gotten to this part of me, please don't forget to subscribe, please guys. See, this year I want to get to 1k subscribers, and we're already in April. Please help my life, get me to 1k subscribers, so that I can start earning money on YouTube, because YouTube are using my videos has ads, and I'm not getting money I'm not getting money from the ads. So these videos, I'm pretty sure I'm giving you guys helpful videos. So please, if you are getting value from my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Please support me, patronize me. I also offer ventilation classes, one-on-one ventilation classes. So you can just hit me up on Instagram at Touch of Mercy. If you're interested in me training you or in bridal styling, just let me know, because I'm open for collaboration as well. I'm open to I'm open to everything. So just hit me up and we can go from there. Thank you guys so much. And please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as usual. Bye. this is the back now. I'm almost done with this back. Is better for it to be full because you don't want to do a pattern and the back is practically showing your lace. Just doesn't make sense. Then now I'm done with one side. This other side I'm going to show you another video on how I filled it up. You can see how full that back is. You can see this hair, this closure took me like almost 100 gram. The hair that was remaining was not much, so it took me like almost 100 gram. And now somebody requested on one of my T-part closure, ventilation closure video, that I should do it slower. So I hope you watch this video again, and I hope this actually made your day, and I hope I was able to deliver what you were expecting me to. So now this is the hairline part. This is how to make your front of the closure to look more natural and realistic instead of plucking, because some people forget, like I actually forget sometimes, that I am actually doing the hairline. So I might go and jam pack, and later on I will now go and pluck it out. But I tried my best to not do that, which actually failed because the other part of the closure I forgot to do the hairline. So what I'm doing now, right, if you can see visibly, there's a chalk there that I like drew a line where I'm supposed to start the hairline and where I'm supposed to stop and continue with the normal closure ventilation. Like now I have continued with the normal ventilation, but in the first beginning part you saw me that I was putting the hair on one hole, then leaving one hole and ventilating on the next hole. So that is, you can also leave like 2-3 holes, depends on how scanty you want your hairline to be. But I didn't really want it to be too scanty, I didn't want it to be too full. I did one hole, leave the other hole, and ventilate on the third hole. So yeah, this ventilation is not that deep, but it's really tricky to learn if you're a beginner. That's why I'm here for you, to give you tips and tricks. If you want to learn more, I also give physical classes, just in case you didn't know. Now you know. And I also do bridal styling online. No, not online. I don't know if I should start the online class. If you're open to online classes for both bridal styling and lace ventilation, please let me know. I can give you an in-depth tutorial on it. So now I'm almost done. This closure took me close to almost a week. I think it took me like 6 days. Yeah, almost 6 days because I wasn't doing it often. I was just doing like every day. I made sure I was able to ventilate part of the closure every day of that 6 days. But I wasn't there fully because I had things to do. Obviously, I cannot. Please, so you have to take your time. Then if you feel you can't meet up with your client, just tell them that you can't meet up. Can you extend it? So it's not that serious. So you can see visibly the hairline extension. I'm still trying to, like, you have to make sure it's in line with the other parts. But even if it's not, you still go back and ventilate part of it, the part that you want to come up or part that you want to go down. So yeah, like sometimes I left like 2 holes, but other times I left just one hole and ventilate on the other hole. So yeah, but if you don't want to do hairline, you can just do it the normal ventilation that you saw me do earlier. It's fine. Like if you're doing a 2x4 closure, guys, if you don't watch my 2x4 closure ventilation, please click the link down below. I'm going to definitely put a link down below to all my ventilation videos, so please don't forget to watch them. Comment if you liked it, if it was helpful. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, please. get me to 1k subscribers this year, or even more than 1k. But I don't want to get up to 1k subscribers. Just please, thank you. Finally, oh, it's about to go down. I am done with this closure. What I'm doing now, right, I used my stretcher to straighten the hair and to make the knots a little bit stronger. The knots are actually strong, but I just wanted that heat, and you know, as I'm dragging it up, it's making the knot to be very tight so that it won't shed. Can you imagine? Please give me my accolade because I tried too much. This is too beautiful. 6x6 closure in all its glory. Guys, if you don't comment in this video after I read this part, I'll not be happy with you. Like, please just show your girl some love. Show me some love so that I know I am doing the right thing here on YouTube. I know I'm giving you guys the best content here on YouTube. And please, I also offer hair installation services, closure ventilation. If you need the services, just hit me up. My hair page is Touch of Mercy, and my personal page where I post videos and pictures sometimes is its_Mercy on Instagram. You can also follow me on TikTok at its_Mercy, and don't forget to subscribe as per usual. You see the middle pattern, I left 2 holes because I wanted it to be like, I wanted the middle pattern to be recognizable, because there's a pattern you'll be like, why is this pattern not pattern? That's not what I want. Right now, any closure I'm making, I always give it 2 pattern because I want it to be defined and bold and obviously beautiful, because this closure was giving me the vibe. It was giving me, gosh, Mercy, you tried. It was giving me, okay, hairline goes like no, I'm good. God has blessed me, and I am glad I'm able to share my knowledge with you guys here on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe, support me. And yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to make sure the pattern is visible enough so you guys can see it. You can also spray water. What I do, one hack I do when ventilating is I sprinkle water on the hair to make the flyaway hair to sleep, so I can continue ventilation and see what I'm doing. Exactly, you see, I just said it now. So that's practically what I'm going to be showing you guys. I sprayed water on the hair so that it can sleep and make my videos more beautiful and the closure more visible. Come on, girl, you did that. Period. I'm good, and that's on per. I'm talking too much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys so much. I'm gonna go now, so just keep on watching and like, share, and subscribe.